Practice on removing oil sump and oil pump. Clean the sump. Practice on removing the big end bearing, connecting rod with the piston. Hi, my name is Charumadi and I will be guiding you throughout this session. The servicing of the engine involves dismantling the components, inspection and reassembling of it. In this module, we are going to practice on removing oil sump and oil pump and to clean the sump. We are also going to practice removing the big end bearing, connecting the rod with the piston.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to remove oil sump from the engine. Remove oil pump from the engine. Remove piston and connecting rod assembly. Remove crankshaft. Tools and instruments required. Spanner set complete. Torque wrench. Engine stand. Equipment and spares required. Engine block assembly. Materials required. Lubricating oil. Bunny yen cloth. Task 1. Removing the oil pump. Before removing the oil pump, we need to drain the oil from the engine. Start and run the engine till the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Then lift the vehicle with a vehicle lift. Drain oil from the engine and collect the oil in an oil draining tray. Loose the oil sump bolts. Remove the oil sump from the engine. Loosen the bolts and remove the strainer. Disconnect the pump outlet. Loosen the bolts and remove the oil from the engine. Task 2. Remove the piston. Turn the crankshaft with a breaker bar and socket to position the piston to be removed at the bottom of its cylinder. Rotate the engine on the engine stand to gain access to the connecting rod. Check that the rod cap and rod are numbered. If the rods and caps are not numbered, mark them with a punch and hammer or a number punch if available. Also mark the rod and cap so the cap can be reinstalled in the original position. Loosen and remove the nuts holding the rod cap on the connecting rod. Remove the connecting rod cap. Check that the piston head has a mark to indicate which direction it should face when reinstalled. If there is no mark, mark the connecting rod to indicate the front of the engine. The pistons must face in the original direction when reinstalled. Push the piston out of the cylinder by pushing the connecting rod toward the top of the block if the piston is difficult to remove. Lightly tap on the connecting rod with a plastic-faced hammer or block of wood. Remove all the pistons. Place all of the pistons in order for reassembly. Task 3. Remove the crankshaft. Mark the crankshaft main bearing caps so that they can be reinstalled to the same position and direction. Loosen and remove the main bearing cap fasteners. Remove the main bearing caps from the block. Lift the crankshaft from the engine block.
Thus, we have learnt to remove oil sump and oil pump and clean the sump. Practice on removing the big end bearing, connecting the connecting rod with the piston. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all. See you in the next video.